Welcome everyone to a new video. So in this video we are going to look at the mechanism of the Mukaiyama-Aldol reaction. So what I have said, actually I made a video on the Mukaiyama-Aldol reaction a long back, and in this video what we are going to look at is understand that mechanism with the help of the molecular model. So remember what I said, it does not matter whether you start from E or Z enolate, because this is the enolate that is formed in the reaction, okay? And whether it is E or Z doesn't matter. In presence of TiCl4, what you end up getting is the syn aldol as the product, okay? And what we said is the reaction goes through an open chain transition state, and this is the transition state with the Z enolate, this is the transition state with the E enolate, okay? And it is this particular transition state which were favored transition state. So you can look at my Mukaiyama-Aldol video, which is right up in the information section. So let us just try and understand why this particular transition state is favored, okay? So let us just see. Now here what we have is, just let me just give you an example. Here what we have, this is carbon-carbon double bond. Here I'm talking about the enolate, and this is, let's just consider this as silicon, okay? This is TMS. Let's just consider this as TMS, this is oxygen, and these green ones as the methyl group, and this is hydrogen, okay? Okay, so for here I am representing you this particular transition state. Now what it says is basically, now we can clearly hear what we are talking about. This is which one? This is 1 2 1 2. So here I am talking about the Z enolate, okay? So this is the Z enolate. Now here what happens is, basically what we are doing is, this is how the ketone approaches from the top phase, okay? Now what we can clearly see is that when the ketone approaches from the top phase, we can see this particular methyl group and this particular methyl group, they are anti to each other, as a result of which there is no repulsion between them, ठीक है? उसके बीच में कोई भी repulsion नहीं होता, as a result of which this particular transition state is favored. Now when जब यहाँ पे हमारा क्या होता है, यहाँ पे हमने what I have shown you, now these electrons they come back, now this attacks this particular carbonyl, and what do you end up getting is the formation of this particular compound. Now let us see, यहाँ पर भी exactly यही हो रहा है कि यहाँ से अटैक कर रहा है, तो ये वाला इसके ऊपर कार्बन के ऊपर अटैक करता है, ठीक है? सो नाउ यू कैन क्लियरली अंडरस्टैंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ द मॉलिक्यूलर मॉडल्स. अब ये जो आपका कन्फॉर्मर फॉर्म हुआ है, इसको आप हमको सिंपली कन्वर्ट करना है, एंड व्हाट डू वी एंड अप गेटिंग इज दी सिन, ठीक है? सो दिस इज समथिंग दैट आई हैव टोल्ड यू अबाउट विद द Z enolate. Let me just simply shift these bonds to form the E enolate, ठीक है? E enolate बनाने की कोशिश करते हैं, उसके अंदर देखते हैं कि वो भी ट्रू है हमारा. Let us just see that. Okay, so here what we have now, here what we are dealing with is the E enolate. This is exactly what it is. Now you have the OTMS group, this is a TMS group, this is the oxygen, and this is the carbon-carbon double bond जो कि पीछे की तरफ है, वो this is behind, okay? And what you have is a methyl group, and this is the hydrogen, okay? And what we are representing is basically this is the Newman projection. Newman projection से आपने दिखाया और हमने बोला कि रिएक्शन प्रोसीड हुआ है ओपन चेयर ट्रांजिशन स्टेट. अब इस केस के अंदर भी हम क्लियरली देख सकते हैं व्हेन द एल्डिहाइड एक्चुअली इट अप्रोचेस फ्रॉम द टॉप, ठीक है? हमारा टाइटेनियम क्या कर रहा है? टाइटेनियम इज कोऑर्डिनेटिंग फ्रॉम दिस ऑक्सीजन, एंड वी कैन क्लियरली सी दैट दिस पर्टिकुलर मिथाइल ग्रुप एंड दिस पर्टिकुलर मिथाइल ग्रुप, दे बोथ आर एंटी टू ईच अदर. और ये वाला हाइड्रोजन भी हमारा क्या है कि ये मिथाइल के उसके साथ है, जिसकी वजह से रिपल्शन is pretty less in this particular case. Now here again, जब आपका क्या हो रहा है कि this is coming back and it is attacking, it is giving again this particular conformation. अगर आप खुद करके देख लीजिए, आपको सिंपली इसको कन्वर्ट करना है, एंड देन अगर आप उसको रीड्रॉ करके देखेंगे, what you will realize is that what you end up getting is the syn conformation, ठीक है? And why this particular conformation is favor, हम क्या बोलते हैं हमेशा, it is this substituent, ये मिथाइल ग्रुप और ये वाला मिथाइल ग्रुप, दे मस्ट बी एंटी टू, दोनों के दोनों एंटी होने चाहिए, जिसकी वजह से क्या होता है, क्योंकि हम क्लियरली अगर देखें ना, ये वाला सब्स्टिट्यूएंट और ये वाला सब्स्टिट्यूएंट, इनके बीच में रिपल्शन नहीं होना चाहिए. तो मैं आपको दूर करके दिखा रहा हूँ, जब ये दोनों बिल्कुल पास में आते हैं, यू कैन क्लियरली इमेजिन अ लॉट ऑफ स्टीयरिक्स एट दिस पर्टिकुलर साइड, ठीक है? So it is these two substituents which should be anti to each other. Now we are going to look at the examples, what happens when you have this particular substituent नेक्स्ट टू दिस वन, ठीक है? अब हम देख लेते हैं दूसरे के वाले केसेस के अंदर तब कैसा कैसे होता है. लेट अस सी. So here what we have is the other conformation that is possible for this one. So again what I have here is, this is what, nothing but 1 2 1 2. So this is the E, this is the E enolate what I have taken. Now हमने पिछले केस में क्या देखा था कि हमारा एल्डिहाइड ऐसे था. अब इस केस में ऐसा भी तो हो सकता है हमारा एल्डिहाइड कैन अप्रोच लाइक दैट वन, but when the aldehyde approaches like that, if I bring it very close, you can clearly see the repulsion between these two. ठीक है. Now you have to clearly understand that I have taken, rather than taking a methyl group or any other group like phenyl group, यहाँ पे भी phenyl हो सकता था, or could be a very big alkyl chain. In that case you can clearly understand the repulsion between these two groups is going to be high. So this is exactly what is represented here. In the case of the E, you can clearly see this is how this particular transition state is represented. That is the reason why this is not favored. But अगर इस केस में अटैक होता है, then what it gives you is the anti-product. That is the reason why in the Mukayama aldol, which proceeds via open chain transition state, you do not see the anti-product. Okay, let us see what happens if we have the E, if we have the Z. ठीक है, Z के साथ भी देख लेते हैं हम क्या होता है. So what we are doing, we are drawing this particular transition state, and okay, here we go. So here again what we have is a TMS, this is TMS, this is oxygen, and this is the methyl one, and here what we have is a double bond, and here is methyl, this is hydrogen, and aldehyde is now again coming from the top. अगर aldehyde फिर से top आ रहा है, you can clearly see these two methyl group, they are in the same side, they are not anti to each other. So इसका मतलब क्या है कि there is a repulsion in this particular transition, as a result of which these two transition states are not favored. Since these two transition states are not favored, and when the reaction, if the reaction proceeds via them, it will give you the anti-product. That is why in the Mukayama aldol, anti is the minor product and syn product is the major product. I hope अब आपको शायद ये अच्छा थोड़ा सा clarity मिला होगा. Why in the case of the Mukayama aldol the reaction proceeds via an open chain transition state rather than a closed rather than in open chain transition state, and whether you start from E enolate or Z enolate, okay, what you end up getting is the syn aldol as the major product. Okay, so if you like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this video with your friends, and take care of yourself. Have a very good day. Bye.